The 2025 Nissan GT-R, a name that's been in the performance game for decades, returns with more refinement, more aggression, and the same relentless power it's known for. Let's go deep into what makes this car more than just a machine. It's a statement. Step inside, and the interior immediately feels like a fusion of race-ready function and everyday comfort. The layout is driver-centric, with controls angled perfectly toward you. The dashboard is clean, with minimal distractions. Everything feels tight and built with purpose. The seats are leather-wrapped, deeply bolstered, and hug you just right, whether you're cruising or taking corners at high speeds. Alcantara lines the roof and door panels, and you'll notice carbon fiber touches scattered throughout, reminding you this is no ordinary sports car. At the center is an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, navigation, and a multifunction performance display. This isn't just about entertainment. It gives you real-time engine data, G-forces, lap times, and even throttle position. It's not just cool, it's useful. The dual-zone climate control, quality sound system, and surprisingly good cabin insulation mean this beast can also behave like a grand tourer when you want it to. Now for the heart of the GT-R, the iconic 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V6, hand-built by a Takumi master in Japan. The standard version delivers 565 horsepower, while the Nismo version boosts that up to 600 horsepower. This engine isn't just fast, it's surgical. With the 6-speed dual-clutch transmission and Nissan's Atessa ETS all-wheel drive system, the GT-R launches like a rocket. 0 to 60 happens in around 2.9 seconds. Power delivery is sharp, responsive, and relentless. Whether you're on dry pavement or in the rain, it puts power down like few cars can. But straight-line speed is just one piece. The GT-R's suspension is tuned with Bilstein Damptronic adaptive dampers, letting you cruise in comfort or stiffen up for aggressive driving. The chassis is incredibly rigid, and steering input is tight and accurate. It's not just about brute force, it's about balance, grip and confidence at high speeds. When you brake, Brembo calipers with oversized rotors bring everything to a halt with zero drama. Outside, the 2025 GT-R still carries that unmistakable silhouette, low, wide, and purposeful. The front end is sharp, with signature LED lights and a wide grille for cooling. Air intakes and a sculpted hood give it a muscular, aggressive look. Around back, the quad circular tail lights and 4 massive exhaust tips finish the look. And yes, it still turns heads everywhere. In terms of pricing, the 2025 GT-R Premium starts at roughly $122,000. The Track Edition bumps that up, offering chassis improvements, weight reduction, and suspension upgrades. The top-tier Nismo comes in around $220,000 and brings carbon fiber components, tuned aerodynamics, and race-bred engineering that sharpens every detail. It's expensive, but you're paying for a machine that can hang with exotic supercars, costing twice as much. The 2025 GT-R isn't just about raw numbers, it's about feeling connected to the road. It's about heritage, craftsmanship, and the thrill of driving something that was built with purpose. As the GT-R nears the end of its era, it's still one of the most exciting, capable, and unique performance cars you can buy. This is the definition of a modern legend, powerful, precise, and unforgettable.